In this video, I will show you how to create a Mega account in iPhone. To do this, simply open up the App Store and click search. And you want to just go and search for Mega. And there you will find the Mega app. So go and click on it. And from here, for me, it says open since I have already installed it. For you, it will say install. So go and install it and then open it up once it's done. From here, you will see this. Now what you want to go and do is just click sign up. And then here enter the following details, so your first and last name, email address, password, and confirm your password. Then you must agree with their terms of service and understand that if you lose your password, you may lose your data. So then once you click sign up, you will see this right here. Now just go and confirm your email, so there will be an email sent to your email address. So this is what the email looks like, so simply go and click activate account. And then it will redirect you. From here you can start setting up Mega, so you can allow it access to photos and then microphone and camera, then notifications, and now you can see it has been set up. Now you can choose your account type. I'll just use the free one, and then from here you will have created your Mega account. So that's how to create a Mega account on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.